All right, I'm going to go through the process of making a patterned cut into the wheel. So this is kind of like the 5.2B at the very end when you have to do the wheel. And I'm just going to show you how to do a circular pattern. The patterns in the sketch don't seem to work as well as the patterns when you've actually created the shape and extruded it. So that's the path I'm going to take. You can play around with the sketching and try to figure out the circular pattern. I always have better luck using the pattern after I've cut the shape. So I'm going to start by creating the shape. So I'm starting a 2D sketch. I'm going to create the circle from the inner part of the wheel around and make it whatever size you need. This is not to scale as per the activity. It's just a sample that I've created quickly. And then I'm going to trim. Now, I'm going to trim the outer part of that circle. And because when I go to finish the sketch and I want to extrude cut this section, and I cut through. So now you can see that we have that cut wheel shape. If you wanted it cut all the way through, of course, you would just choose the outer circle when you created the half circle. All right, now that I've done that, I'm going to use the circular pattern. Make sure it's on feature, and you have to choose the feature that we just cut. Sometimes you need to pull this at an angle in order to get what you're looking for. Okay, so we've chosen the feature that we just extruded. And our rotation of axis could be any of the circles on the piece because they are there and they are symmetrical. So we want 6 placements if you want to change your placements. If you only wanted 5 here, you just change that to 5. If you didn't want it to go all the way around the circle, you only wanted it to go around half the circle, you can change those angles. But we want 360 degrees, and I'll just do 5 cuts. Say OK, and you'll notice that it's circular pattern to evenly space those cutouts. So this is a skill that once you've created a shape, you can easily pattern it amongst the entire piece. Very useful.